Start.
Okay, hi guys. Now I think we are at the last team of this prediction 2026. SRH से start कर रहे हैं.
Sunrisers Hyderabad. So,
So weakness ही weakness है.
I think they were an amazing team in 2024.
287 मारा था इन्होंने.
हाँ, 2025 में ऐसा क्या हो गया? I think because they were the finalists, like KKR defeated them.
अच्छा फाइनलिस्ट क्या हो गया? मैं इतना भूल चुका हूँ 25 टाइम का.
2024 में they were the finalists because it was a very new approach उस time पे कि the way they were batting. अभी तो हर टीम ऐसा खेल रहा है. ठीक है, but I think 2025 में that thing only like kind of backfired, right? They were like the biggest concern क्या है? Like if I have to define in one line is they were like boom or bust, right? They had
मतलब वही कि एकदम
270 plus, but they also got out on 120 एक मैच में शायद 140 around एक मैच में, right? Death bowling was
not death bowling. मेरा ऐसा मानना है bowling ये पैट कमिंस अभी नहीं है कुछ टाइम के लिए. Bowling is
very bad. 2025 में भी एक बैट कमिंस तो था 2025 में I think.
हाँ but in general correct almost था but अब मेरे लिए weakness entire bowling है.
हाँ. Plus I think वो हैदराबाद में पिच में खेल के when they go to Chepauk or a slower turning well उनकी बैटिंग फिर
खेल नहीं पाती. वही उनके पास वो नहीं है कि जो स्टीयर करे और थोड़ा ले जाए.
So and then there were a couple of players और हम discuss करेंगे who did not click at all last year.
Correct.
They also tried to fill some of these gaps. देखते हैं उसको मतलब how does that work.
Let's go to them.
Let's go to playing 11.
I think top 4 भी मेरा sort. I think हम लोग का line रहेगा. मुझे लगता है इसको right cause Travis said Abhishek, Ishan,
I think Ishan after his World Cup exploits will be on a very high confidence.
All even Abhishek is on high on confidence.
Abhishek we don't know which Abhishek will turn out.
I think Abhishek will have
before World Cup and Abhishek during World Cup was
but still
different.
Fourth is also sorted. Henrik.
Fourth, I in my team I had put Reddy
and then fifth Henrik.
Fifth Henrik.
Definitely fourth. Just I think top 5 discuss
top 5. I think top 5 में top 3 only issue here is they're all three left-handed. ठीक है. India के साथ World Cup में problem हुआ था and they had to bring in Sanju, which turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Nitish Kumar Reddy did not have a good year.
Nitish Kumar का आखिरी मुझे वो मेलबर्न की सेंचुरी याद है.
Which was like high on emotion and उसके बाद I don't see like India is still trying. Gambhir is still trying to make him that Hardik Pandya alternative for test. But I don't see him progressing in either of the departments, be it bowling or batting.
Yes.
T20 में शायद like with freedom and all, it might be a good like you know it might be a good thing for him, give him confidence. But I still don't know with impact सब उसके bowling की जरूरत पड़ेगी कि
नहीं पड़ेगी एकदम. नहीं I think पड़ेगी. But and also Henrik Klassen की बात करें तो फन फैक्ट मैं हेनरिक क्लासन से मिल चुका हूँ वो भी सियाटल में. सो हेनरिक का आई थिंक बट ही इज प्लेइंग कॉम्पिटिटिव क्रिकेट. सो आई थिंक हेनरिक से भी काफी होप से लास्ट ईयर हेनरिक ही आई थिंक वाज द ओनली बैट्समैन जो थोड़ा बहुत चला था. राइट. ट्रेविस हेड वी ऑल नो व्हाट ही कैन डू. राइट. लाइक 19 नवंबर याद है हमें. ठीक है. सो आई थिंक
हाँ सॉरी
मतलब मेरा पॉइंट ये ईशान यू आर राइट. बहुत हाई ऑन इमोशन, high on confidence, captain है अभी, right? So I think Ishan will be more unleashed, right? कि captain है तो और इसका pressure कम होगा.
ये team जीत कैसे सकता है, right? Matches if they bat out oppositions, right?
Exactly.
They'll have to
like power play में 80-90 रन बना रहे हैं.
If it's a 180 pitch, they'll have to score 220, 230. If it's a 200 pitch, they'll have to score 250. That's the only way they can win matches, right? And that this top order, top 5, and we'll discuss 6 and 7 also. But I think top 5 has the capability. Right? 6, I think.
And top 5 में अगर उनके 2 भी चल जाते हैं ना तो इनका काम हो जाएगा. Right?
Yeah. I think 6 also like the fact that they have Liam Livingstone there. He's never been a success in IPL per se, but I think he has a point to prove to English selectors. He's kind of Will Jacks has kind of replaced him in the setup. एक point था जब England made him vice captain for the T20 thing, but वहाँ से
उसका गिरा है काफी. तो I actually Livingstone is not in my top first preference.
Okay, will it be Mendes then?
It will be Mendes. I'll tell you why. Right? मैंने Cummins की सोचा है. Right? So I don't know. कमेंडो को कैच आया था तेरे को. एक कैच के 10 नहीं. सो ठीक है.
I think एक या 2 मैच खेला था but catch became the catch of the tournament.
So कमेंडो के साथ फायदा क्या देखो. Why I am going with कमेंडो because they have enough power in the team. ठीक है. मतलब अगर यार 5 नहीं चल रहे तो ठीक है. मतलब लिविंगस्टोन अकेले नहीं कर पाएगा given what is his form.
ठीक है.
तो मेरा मानना है कि if you lose, let's say power play में अभिषेक and Travis, right?
Hmm.
You have to take a step back, right? Last year इन्होंने एक गलती क्या की थी? वो बैकफुट पे जाते ही नहीं थे, right? So in that case, they can promote Kamindu above Henrik and Nitish.
Okay.
Right. So I will go with Kamindu. I know both Living and Kamindu gives you 1 or 2 overs. But फायर पावर है तुम्हारे पास तो कमिंडो को लेकर जाओ. आई कैन थिंक ऑफ कल को अगर आपको जरूरत पड़ी तो इफ आई थिंक वो तो कभी नहीं करेंगे. हेनरिक का फॉर्म एकदम ही खराब हो रहा है तो देन यूज लिविंग. बट आई विल गो विद कमिंडो. दैट्स माय प्रेफरेंस.
See, my only counterpoint to that is, I don't think ये team ना अगर like the only way they have to go ahead and win is if they keep on coming and hitting. Is what I feel. ठीक है, more like I'll not say like India, what India did in T20 World Cup, but the moment they try to figure out, try to salvage a situation and all, तो वो 120 में आउट होने वाला
यार बट
टीम है.
सी बिकॉज तो यू आर ओनली थिंकिंग फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इनिंग, राइट? सेकंड इनिंग्स में दे नीड प्लेयर लाइक दैट. मतलब ऐसा मेरा मानना है.
ठीक है,
बट ठीक है, चलो.
I think I also have like Kamindu as a replacement for Livingston. 7 I think Aniket.
They don't have any other option.
I know.
अभी मतलब मैं खोज रहा था who will be the 7th. So Kostov actually helped me out. So Aniket Verma 36 बनाया था इसने लास्ट IPL में. I think 160 plus strike
So
rate.
I think
So
ठीक है. 8th I think is a good option that they have Harsh Dubey. He's been the second highest wicket taker in Ranji.
yes.
He also recently got awarded, so he can bowl left arm spin and like bat.
थोड़ा सा बैट कर सकता है.
So I
correct.
think number 8 के लिए he's
Harsh
a
Dubey, yes.
good option.
अब प्रॉब्लम क्या आता है? अब प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम. So one तो I will give to one foreign bowler, right? When Pat comes, Pat will take that. Otherwise, Bryden and Ishan Malinga. Ishan Malinga को अभी वो नहीं मिला है.
NOC नहीं मिला.
But see, the problem is they have to go with Bryden क्योंकि उनके पास कोई Indian. आप if you go to their list, they have so many bowlers.
Yeah.
Right? They have like 9-10 bowlers, right? Including Mavi, Jaydev and Harshal. And all these people जो मैंने तीनों नाम लिया एक टाइम ये भी बहुत ही मचा रहे थे, इंक्लूडिंग हर्षल.
Yeah.
हर्षल को तो हम 20 वर्ल्ड कप में लेकर गए थे जो हमारा डिजास्टर्स वर्ल्ड कप था.
और हर्षल I think is the only bowler I think जिसको नहीं maybe
दो बार
purple cap
करेक्ट.
है.
हाँ.
But yeah, that Harshal we don't know if like I
So 8 तक दुबे था. And one is foreign pacer. You are okay with that?
Bryden Cars. I think Bryden Cars. Ishan Malinga से I think.
And the moment Pat comes, Pat
जब
takes.
Pat coming takes.
तो 9 हो गया है.
9 Harshal, 10 Bryden Cars, 11 Jaydev because they don't have option. इनको ही खिलाना पड़ेगा.
6-7. AC 8 was दुबे. 9th is
Harshal. Harshal is a better batsman in Sanput.
नहीं अभी बस चलो ठीक है वो तो बैटिंग बॉलिंग में ठीक है. 9th एक फॉरेन बॉलर हो गया. आपके पास 3 जगह बचती है.
हाँ.
So Harshal, Jaydev,
And then the leg spinner.
Jishan.
Ansari.
Jishan is
Leg spinner है शायद.
no he's right hand.
हाँ, right hand leg spinner.
हाँ leg spinner sorry.
हाँ.
I'm zoned out.
हाँ. So
हाँ.
I think Zishan or like if it's a
Mavi.
Mavi, but Mavi भी बहुत injury prone होता है तो क्या
नहीं यार इनको जिशान करना पड़ेगा. स्पिनर कौन है? एक दुबे है.
हाँ मतलब
And then
Livingston and
Livingston.
Travis Head थोड़ा.
I don't think they. हाँ मतलब वो तो फिर. So that's the problem with this team यार. The bowling is.
Yeah.
कोई नहीं यार bowling में. मतलब जयदेव हमेशा he always used उसको हमेशा मिल जा रहा है IPL का contract, right? But not up to the standards. Both
So
Jaydev.
all of them are, I think, very prone to get hit, right? They can easily go for 4 overs for 50.
Yeah, I think जितने उनके बैट्समैन आएंगे उतना ही रन.
हाँ, so that's the challenge. Like the bats, what I feel क्या होगा इस IPL में, they'll consistently score 200 plus runs, but they'll consistently give away 200 plus runs also.
One
Right.
funny thing which can happen with this team is इनके bowlers century मार सकते हैं. Let's see who will it
I
be.
think for them, right, what I feel is it will be helpful if they play on slow pitches. Like then Jaydev and Harshal with their slower balls.
But then उनके बैटिंग फिर
हाँ मतलब then the batting has to like for example Ishan Kishan can like Ishan Kishan Reddy like if you have Mendes as
Hendrick
you were saying,
also.
Hendrick hits spin very well. Like
Yeah.
back foot पे जाके he can hit straight down the ground, right? So I think like if they have a choice in Hyderabad, I don't know, like they've always gone for the very high scoring runs.
Hyderabad will be flat, right? It will be a road.
So yeah, that's what that will be a issue.
ठीक है. So I think
One
we
thing,
have-
like, one just point, right? Last year, the way the other teams bowled to them, right? If you remember in the second half of the tournament, even like early tournament, they knew that these guys will come hitting. So there was a proper plan from all the most of the teams, right? Bowling outside the off stump, like just start with dead bowling right at the start, right?
Yes.
And they were exposed to that. There was no coming back to that. So I think will they have a plan B this year is something they'll have to figure out. But especially the top three, right? And even Klaasen. So that is one thing which I think that they should think of. But other than that, I think I feel that they
not a strong team on the paper.
Struggle to be in the top four. The only place left in my is sixth.
And for me it's seventh.
Yeah. So
let's see. What do you guys think?
Let us know in the comments.
And this concludes our playing 11 prediction for IPL.
So let's look at IPL and then now let's look at the matches.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.